Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am coming to you from beautiful, sunny Croatia. Well, maybe not so sunny today, a little bit more sunny over there. But what I have here, I have an Opel Vivaro van, a 2016, and I just installed a Sony XAV-AX3200 radio, which I can show you here, briefly there. More importantly, for here in Croatia, because it's so tight for parking, I put in this Keytech factory-specific backup camera. So we replaced the third brake light with a third brake light camera. Basically wired it all up through all the factory loom. So down through here, in through the back of the truck. So you'll see it's a work van. It's pretty difficult to get the cabling down through here, but we got it all done. So it's factory fitment, and as you can see, it's a working third brake light. I'm just gonna hop in the vehicle here to escape the wind. And I'm going to show you a few other things. So here's the radio, Sony XAV-AX3200. I love this radio. It's a basic radio. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both wired, so not wireless. So you have to have a cable that I've retained, the factory USB port. This is a connects to bracket and a connects to interface, which retained the factory steering wheel controls, which are in a weird spot. They're right here. They're not actually on the steering wheel. They're on the steering column. But let me turn it on and I'll show you exactly how this all works. So the radio takes a few seconds to boot up. Just gonna turn that down so we don't get copyright. Now I did something interesting on this one. I got it so the backup camera turns on at any point in time. You don't have to have the vehicle in reverse. Why is that important? Well, this particular Opel work van is manual. So if you had to put it in reverse every time, it becomes a bit of a safety issue. But if I do put it in reverse, boom, it triggers. Now, one of the differences when you put the vehicle in reverse, it shows the guidelines. So when the gentleman is backing this vehicle up, he's gonna have guidelines when it's in reverse. But when it's not in reverse, camera shuts off, it goes to the main menu. But if you did wanna switch it on, boom, there you go, okay? So we're gonna go back to the radio, and I'm just gonna show you, maybe easier to show you here. You've got essentially radio volume up, radio volume down. You've got mode, source, and then your answer. If I hit the volume up, okay, I don't want to get copyright struck, so I'm just going to turn that down. But you can see we've retained the steering wheel controls in this Opel as well. So obviously most of our work is done in North America, but we do work here in Europe as well. We do cover European vehicles and European products. And we offer installs here in Croatia as well, of all places. So we are based in Canada, but we have an office here in Croatia, and that's what I'm doing here today. I've done this radio and backup camera on this 2016 Opel Vivaro in beautiful sunny Croatia with some pigeons on the beach and a little bit of wind today. It is late March, so the weather has not changed perfectly yet, but beautiful nonetheless. If you were someone you know is interested in adding a new radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a backup camera, for example, to your vehicle, reach out, sales@lockdownsecurity.ca. www.lockdownsecurity.ca is our website. 1-866-824-4118 is our toll-free number. You can also reach us on WhatsApp. 647-439-4485 is our WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this great Sony radio in beautiful sunny Croatia. Have a great day.